What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back on Top Crypto, and now we're going to talk about another high-potential project called Ancient8, Vietnam's largest blockchain gaming guild. But before that, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational purpose only. So without further ado, let's start. Coin98 Labs, Kyros Ventures, Coin68 Media, and 312 Capital incubated Ancient8, Vietnam's largest blockchain gaming guild. Ancient8 aspires to establish a decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) that will provide a platform that will allow anybody to participate in the metaverse while reaping incentives. In addition, we provide scholarships and instructional materials to ensure that everyone in the metaverse has equitable access to resources. Ancient8 pillars: education and scholarships. On blockchain play-to-earn games, Ancient8 buys NFTs and in-game assets and grants scholarships to players that are recruited. Ancient8's NFTs are used by academics to play blockchain games and share awards in a tiered format. Community: Ancient8 is not just a guild, but it is also Vietnam's largest gaming community. In the future of the virtual economy, we seek to build an extraordinary culture and significant leadership. Investment: for improved incentives for Ancient8 Guild students and DAO members, Ancient8 takes advantage of our early investment in new games, NFTs pre-sales, and early access to game testing. You can apply for all of these scholarships. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has gained a lot of traction in the cryptocurrency and gaming worlds. With its entertaining gameplay, Axie Infinity has made play-to-earn into a reality and amassed a large army of committed fans. We've already sponsored over 1,000 Axie Infinity scholarships, and the number is always growing. We're looking for more gamers to join us. Cyball. Cyball is an NFT-based football-themed, US soccer game in which users may collect, trade, mentor, and eventually battle with Cyblocks. Axie Infinity influenced the game economy, and Cyball aspires to improve the play-to-earn phenomena that Axie Infinity pioneered. We want to give more than 1,000 Cyball scholarships as soon as their game is out. The Tan Arena. The Tan Arena is a blockchain-based esports competition. Its gameplay is based on a blend of individual abilities and group collaboration. Players may test their skills in a variety of game types, including MOBA and Battle Royale. Hundreds of scholarship options are available to our Gamify esports community. Summoner's Arena. Summoner's Arena is an idle RPG game based on the popular classic Summoner era game. Summoner's Arena not only delivers profit to players, but also a fun experience, thanks to its high-pressure styled gameplay, multiple game types, and flexible strategies. Ancient8 is ecstatic to be working with Summoner's Arena to take GameFi to the next level. Sipper. Sipper is a casual MOBA and exploration game with the purpose of creating an open-world social game at the conclusion of the game. Players may explore the world of Cypheria in the most authentic and thought-provoking way possible thanks to deep Cypherian lore and various gameplay. Ancient8 and Sipper are committed to enhancing both social and commercial value for our gaming community through this collaboration. Elpis Battle. Elpis Battle is a prominent SEA Gaming Studios turn-based RPG NFT game. In Elpis, users explore the fantasy world through the mythology of a mythological tribe's conflict, while also extracting profit by participating in the Elpis battle economy. This strategic partnership allows Ancient and Elpis Battle to concentrate on delivering superior value to the community. OpenBlocks. OpenBlocks is a one-stop gaming platform based on Arbitrum that incubates NFT gaming with its own IP, #OpenBlocks, in order to continually develop and broaden its market. Players utilize their blocks to hunt, acquire things, breed, combat, and explore the mysterious world of OpenBlocks. OpenBlocks, like Ancient8, will play an important role in our mission to conquer the metaverse. Puzzle Royale. Puzzle Royale is a match-3 earn-to-play game with RPG features, raid monsters, and PvP battles. Players may concurrently immerse themselves in different strategies and gain tokens by playing PR, thanks to its competitive gameplay, burning mechanics, and new social components. This collaboration between Ancient8 and Puzzle Royals will provide a more devoted and entertaining manner for the community of gamers to access the metaverse. And more coming soon. And here's some social media updates. Ancient8 quest to onboard the next 100 million citizens to the metaverse. We are delighted to be accompanied by an incredible group of backers led by @Dragonfly_Cap at Pantera Capital and at #_official. Ancient8 joined Twitter on August 2021 and now have 91.8k followers. And if you want more updates in Ancient8, you can go in some other social media of Ancient8 like Discord, Telegram, and many more. So that's all for Ancient8. Come and visit, subscribe, and watch out for another videos here on Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.